Hello and welcome to Kugamon. In this video, we're going to review just how easy it is to update the contact shipping personnel within edit lines. So let's jump right in and explore it further together. Now, if you're wanting to follow along, you will need an example order to use. I am going to be using this particular order, but everything I show within this video also applies to quotes. So if you have a quote to use, that's okay too. Either way, we're going to open that order record or quote record and then locate and click into edit lines. Now, when you first open your order, you may not see any line items. You might have a fresh order record, and that's okay. You'll just need to quickly create a new group, add some line items with shippable products. Once you have that, your screen should more or less look very similar to mine. And you can repeat these steps for quotes as well. And once we have line items with shippable products, what you're going to do is locate this icon here. It's going to have a little icon of a face. So we're going to just click into that. And then this window will pop up on your screen where we can update the contact shipping. So there's going to be two options that you'll see, default and override. So the default is the default contact shipping personnel based upon the account. So that's going to be what lives in the additional account info record. But let's say, in conversation within your sales process, you find out that all of these products, they need to be shipped to somebody else. So in that case, we're going to click override. Then we're going to click into override and then click into the search, and you can just start to type in the name of your contact and then just click into it. And then it's as easy as clicking update. And now we've updated the contact shipping for this Gen Watt battery shippable item, and you can see that it's been updated because now if you compare it to the line item below, this one's purple, this one's still blue. It's as easy as locating this contact shipping icon and then switching to override and then starting to just type the name of the person that you want to switch the contact shipping personnel to, and then confirming that the icon now is purple instead of blue. If you have any questions about any of these steps, do not hesitate to send us your inquiry directly within Kugamon Central. And if you like this video and want to explore some more, please visit us at www.kugamon.com. As always, we thank you for tuning in and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.